Hello everyone, this is the accessories that I want to show you today to how to install it. Is this we call the lock and unlock switch. The accessory for the new Fortuner or the Toyota Levo logos from year 2016 until 2023. So the components of the equipment is the big plug, the big connector over here, and the green plug that's connected to the switch. And for the Fortuner years 2022 until now, you will need one more plug over here, which is included in the set. So when you connect it, you just unplug the connector panels besides the right feet of your beside the pedal, sorry, and then you just disconnect the original plug of the car, which is the big plug over here. In the left side you will see it's only plug that look the same as the one that I gave you. So you just unplug it and you insert the new one into it, and you put the new one into the old one over here. So this is the set that I have already installed. So I install it like this, and this is the old one of the car. And then you just align the harness, the long harness, to the switch where you want to put it on. So in my cars I put it here, but mostly people put it over here to be convenience to the passenger to lock and unlock the door when the driver is not in the car. Or some people is putting it here under the DVD players. So after you connect the big plugs, you just wire the long wire to the position that you want and just plug in with the switch. And for the Fortuner year 2022 until now, you need to add one more plug over here, which is the plug that connect to the power door off or the power door of the cars. So if the Fortuner 2016 until 2019, you don't need this plug, you just plug in the big one only. So I will show you how it works. This is the first that I finished. So we have a lock and unlock. This one will work only if the passenger is the driver is not in the car and the seat belt is unplugged over here. So I push plug, I push lock, you will see it's locked, and I put this unlock. So is it for safety for the passenger? In some case, for example, when you're driving in a long ride and the driver want to go to the toilet or to the convenience store, and you leave the car, but your wife and your son or your relative is still in the car, so they can lock the car manually by pushing this lock and unlock switch. So, and this for safety, this function will work only when you unplug the seat belt of the driver's side. If you are driving the car, it will not work. Just for safety, to don't let the door open while driving.